Hi friends, welcome to the Plane Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at the float fly line at Nall 2025. We've got a Seawind. It's a wonderful airplane. Truly amphibious. Alright friends, sit back, relax. Let's enjoy this wonderful flight. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, what a nice flying, nice landing. It's a really unique plane. It's actually a home built, folks. You can, the full size that is. You can still find them every once in a while. I don't think they're making them anymore. The one tip I can give anyone who does purchase this, make sure you get an AS3X in there and switch that 2-blade to a 3-blade. So in other words, that 2-blade I think is a 12.6. Switch to an 11.6 3-blade because the problem is that foam flexes where the motor is located and has a tendency to chop the top of the fuselage. Let's see if you can do his amphibious move here, folks. I don't know if you'll be able to. Grass is kind of high. No, it won't be able to, I don't think, because the grass is just really high. But the retracts are there. You can see it underneath. You can go from the land to the ocean. And it's just fantastic. All right, friends. More to come.